Hey guys, Megatron1717 here, and today's video is going to be about the Random Monday for December 5th, 2022. Alright, so let's go look for it. By the way, if you haven't been logging in, there's a daily login actually, and you get prizes each day log in. The Jamaaildays. Alright, so it looks like it's not there. Let's look over here. Ooh. Not here either. Alright, let's look in Jama clothing. Alright, it looks like it's not there either. Alright, let's look in Mount Shiver. The Cuckoo Hut. Wow, everyone's here. Here it is. Today's random Monday is a rare Jamaaildays Light Up Scarf. 1,500 gems in Mount Shiver. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and turn notifications to on. And also check out my other video for the random Monday for the Animal Jam app. That is available until 7 p.m. Eastern Time tonight. And this random Monday is available until 11:59 p.m. tonight Eastern Time. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace out.